and welcome to Gold Learning viewers. I'm Fiona Lang-Sharp, IBCLC Public Relations Manager and MC for Gold Learning. Welcome to my interview with Lisa Marasco. Welcome, Lisa. It's great to have you here at Gold.
And it's lovely to be back. Thank you so much.
Yes, it's lovely to have you back again, and I'm very excited to tell our listening audience today that you're going to be speaking at our Midwifery Conference 2016, and you'll be presenting on this presentation, Recognizing When Things Are Heading South, Problems with Maternal Milk Supply. I am very excited to hear what you have to say about this, Lisa. As I was reading your abstract, it really triggered some thoughts there about when, to trust your instinct when something is perhaps heading south, or to wait it out. So I'm really curious to hear what you have to say about that. But firstly, can you tell me a little bit about what inspired you to present on this subject?
Well, when I was thinking about what would be most useful, I think that in the beauty of the midwifery model is that we are communicating to mothers normal. And in the same vein, we want to, breastfeeding is normal and things usually work. At the same time, sometimes things, there's mother's conveying to you that she doesn't think things are completely wonderful. And part of you is saying, no, she's probably doing fine. And the other part of you is saying, but what if? And so in that vein, I wanted to be able to talk more about those what ifs and how do you sort those through, because it's really not easy, not for lactation consultants and not for midwifery, for midwives either. So I'm hoping to be able to help clarify some of this for all of you.
Well, I'm certainly looking forward to hearing some clarification, because even after many years practicing in the lactation field, there's always those cases that stump us, and what do you do next? And it's not something that we like to have as any type of regret when working with a client, but sometimes it's really subtle. So I'm really looking forward to your inspiration on this, Lisa. So can you just tell me, can you share a couple of highlights for our delegates that will be listening in for this conference presentation?
Well, a couple of things that I plan on doing. One of them I think is presenting with the idea of giving you a roadmap of being able to understand the different categories of problems, and hopefully it will help the thought process in figuring out what's going on with the mother. And then another just interesting little tidbit we're going to discuss is the age factor and whether that's an issue or not. That's a question that is brought up many times, and we haven't had great research, but now little things are starting to come out, so I'll be touching on that also today.
Well, that to me is going to be really important, because age is certainly something that is impacting the maternal child health field, as we are having mothers who are older having babies today. And so it will be wonderful to hear what your research and your presentation will be able to support us on our journey. So that's very exciting. Well, that's all we have for now, folks, for listening in. We look forward to seeing you all at the Gold Midwifery Conference. And again, I've been here with Lisa Marasco today, and she's going to be presenting on Recognizing When Things Are Heading South, Problems with Maternal Milk Supply. Thanks, everyone, for joining us, and have a great rest of your day. Bye-bye for now.